Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks today, and we are going to make an easy supper that you can put on before you go to work, and then it'll be ready when you get home. All you have to do is make some mashed potatoes to go with it, or maybe even some rice. Super easy steak bites. So let's do it. Here I have about a 2-pound chuck roast, and we're just going to take it and we're going to cut it up into little bites. Easy enough. Got these all cut up. Now I'm just going to get my crock pot ready. A few things in that. We're going to put 1 package of au jus. You can get this over by the gravies, over where you can get all your gravy packets. Now I'm going to do a package of onion dip. You can use Lipton, but I'm going to use Kinder's. We're just going to do a package of this, maybe. 1 can of beef broth. Got mixed around real good. I'm going to season my steak bites with this called Tex Joy steak seasoning. I got this from some friends of mine, the Scarberries, who I met through Josh and Carrie, my other friends here in Branson. Let me get this opened up. They brought this to me the other day, and I was trying to think of something good that I could make with it, and so we're going to try this. I've never tried it before, but we're going to give it a try. So they said this is the best, so let's see what happens. So I'm just going to season these. We put our steak right in our little mixture here. Just like that. Now I'm going to grab an onion. Let's just cut an onion up and put it right on top. Stick of butter. This is going to be so good. Just like that. Low, and we're going to cook it for about 6 or 7 hours. You don't want it like falling apart. You still want it to have a little bit of a steak bite. So we're going to cook this for about 6 or 7 hours. And then when we get back after our long day of working, we're going to just whip up some mashed potatoes and just serve it right over the top. Or you can do rice, whatever you would like best. Set it and forget it until you get home. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Hey y'all, it has been a day. So we've let this cook for 7 hours, and I just came down and shut it off, and I put some potatoes on to boil. I'm using this, the little multi-bag, what are these called? Little Potato Company. Fresh little duos. That's what I like. It has a little bit of red and a little bit of golden yellow potato in there. Anyway, I love these. So I'm going to put these right back in the pot that I boiled them in. I'm going to add a 1/2 stick of butter. So I did half the bag, so about 2.5 pounds of potatoes. And a 1/2 block of 8-ounce cream cheese, so 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to also add this, the Butcher. It's garlic, coarse black pepper, and kosher salt. So I'm going to put some of that in there. Well, good night. You can just mash these with a potato masher, but I'm going to use this. I boiled my potatoes for about 30 minutes, so it didn't take long. They probably were done before that, but I checked them after 30 minutes, and they were nice and tender. I'll add a little milk. About a cup. Just blend them up until they're as smooth as you like them. That looks good enough for me. Let's give these a little taste. Perfect. Take our lid off of that. Oh, that looks so good. All right, let's get a little taters. I mean, this is all you need right here. Tater. Little steak bites with that juice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, get a little piece of bread or something to go with that. Look how good that looks. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, yes. That's perfect. The steak bites aren't too tender where they're just falling apart. You still can get a bite out of them. So yeah, that's the perfect, oh my gosh, good flavor. Yeah, that's good. A good, easy supper. All I need is a piece of Sadie's sourdough bread to sop that up. Oh my gosh, those are so good. Go make this. It's delicious. Go make this. It is delicious. And remember, if you're in Branson, Missouri, come and see us here at Local Flavor. We are right on the strip on 76 Country Boulevard, and we would love to have you for lunch or supper. Don't forget to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today, and have a fantastic day. We'll see ya.